1000 pack of cable ties. Keep cables organized with 10, 25 cm. Black zip ties for 2.67, 68 mm bundle diameter with curved tip. Tool-less installation. UL file number, E97527. Industrial strength. Made of durable nylon 66 material, these tough, flexible, adjustable cable ties are tested to support up to 50 pounds, 22.7 kilograms, of weight are UL94 V-2 fire-rated. Multi-length. Available in 4, 10 cm, for 0.86, 22 mm bundle diameter, 6, 15 cm, for 1.53, 39 mm bundle diameter, 8, 20 cm, for 2.16, 55 mm bundle diameter, black or white. Reliable safety. 94 V-2 flammability rating, UL approved, CE, Lloyd's register certified, RoHS TAA compliant. 1000 pack extra large 10,254 mm black nylon 6694 V-2 fire UL rated TAA UL. These extra large cable ties enable you to conveniently bundle and secure multiple cables to route and organize them. 1000 black cable ties are included, ensuring you'll have plenty on hand. Keep cables organized. These plastic electrical cable wraps are 10, 254 mm, in length, securing cable bundles up to 2.7, 68.6 mm in diameter. They're quick and easy to install or remove, with adjustable tension and a basic one-piece design, perfect for organizing network cables, power cables, or other cables at your home or office workstation. Industrial strength. Made of durable nylon 66 material, these cable ties are tough and flexible. They've been rigorously tested to support up to 50 pounds 22.7 kilograms of weight, are UL94 V-2 fire rated, UL approved, and CE Lloyd's register certified. Available in different lengths and colors to suit any application, offers a wide selection of these cable ties in different lengths and colors. 100 pack 4, 101.6 mm, black cable ties, CBM ZT4B, 100 pack 4, 101.6 mm, white cable ties, CBM ZT4N, 1000 pack 4, 101.6 mm, black cable ties, CBM ZT4BK, 1000 pack 4, 101.6 mm, white cable ties, CBM ZT4NK, 100 pack 6, 152.4 mm, black cable ties, CBM ZT6B, 100 pack 6, 152.4 mm, white cable ties, CBM ZT6N, 1000 pack 6, 152.4 mm, black cable ties, CBM ZT6BK, 1000 pack 6, 152.4 mm, white cable ties, CBM ZT6NK, 100 pack 8, 203.2 mm, black cable ties, CBM ZT8B, 100 pack 8, 203.2 mm, white cable ties, CBM ZT8N, 1000 pack 8, 203.2 mm, black cable ties, CBM ZT8BK, 1000 pack 8, 203.2 mm, white cable ties, CBM ZT8NK, 100 pack 10, 254 mm, black cable ties, CBM ZT10B, 100 pack 10, 254 mm, white cable ties, CBM ZT10N, 1000 pack 10, 254 mm, black cable ties, CBM ZT10BK, 1000 pack 10, 254 mm, white cable ties, CBM ZT10NK. These cable wraps are backed by a lifetime warranty and free 24/5 technical support. StarTech. Top reviews from the United States. It took some looking to find these on Amazon, but I was happy that they are from StarTech. I sue their products in my work and I am never disappointed. I used these to manage light cables on my AR-15 handguard. They are the same width as the ones from the factory.